Whether you're sending campaigns, building automations, or personalizing customer experiences, it all starts with how you organize your contacts. In this video, I'll show you 3 tools to organize your contacts. By the end, you'll know exactly when to use each one and how to use them to segment your audience. Let's start with lists. Lists are the primary containers for your contacts. Think of them as separate audiences or databases within your account. Every contact in ActiveCampaign must belong to at least one list to be sent a marketing email, and contacts can be on multiple lists at the same time. Let me show you how to create a list. Click on Contacts in the left navigation, then click Lists. Click Add a List. Give your list a name and description that clearly describes the audience. For example, newsletter subscribers or webinar registrants. Add the list URL as well as a reminder message to help contacts remember why they are on this list. Just remember that this, as well as your list name, are going to be visible to your contacts when they subscribe. And there you go, your list is now created and ready for use. Now let's talk about tags. Tags are flexible labels that you apply to your contacts to track interests, behaviors, and lifecycle stages. For example, you might tag someone as interested in product A when they download a specific guide, or tag them as VIP customer after their 3rd purchase. Let me show you a quick way we can manage tags. Click on Contacts in the left navigation, then click Tags. This is your tag manager where you can see all your tags in your account. To create a new tag, click Add a Tag and enter the name. You can also create tags on the fly when adding a new contact, building an automation, or setting up a campaign. The Tag Manager also lets you merge duplicate tags, delete unused ones, and see which contacts have each tag. Now let's take a look at custom fields. Custom fields store specific information about your contacts. This is structured data like a job title, the company name they work for, birthdays, or purchase history. While tags track behaviors and interests, custom fields store detailed attributes. This data powers personalization in your emails and helps you segment contacts based on specific criteria. Let me show you how to create a custom field. Click on Contacts in the left navigation, then click Fields. Click Add Field in the top right. Next, choose your field type. Text fields work for names, company names, or any short text. Date fields work for birthdays, anniversaries, or important dates. And drop-down fields let contacts choose predefined options. So let's create a field. Let's say my business sells clothing. In this case, we can enter a field name like shirt size. You can also add a personalization tag, which is what you use to insert this data into your emails, making each message unique to each customer. Now that you understand these tools, let's talk about when to use each one. Use lists for major and broad audiences. Use tags for behaviors, interests, and stages in your customer journey. And use custom fields for storing specific data points to power personalization. Here's a practical example. A contact might be on your newsletter subscribers list. They might have tags like interested in shirts, and they might have custom fields showing their shirt size as L. All 3 work together to give you a complete picture of your contact. Using these conditions or combining them with other attributes like list status, actions, site data, and more, you can create powerful segments to target very specific audiences. Here's where Active Intelligence makes this even more powerful. When you're building campaigns or automations, you can use natural language to describe your audience. Active Intelligence builds, edits, saves, and retrieves segments based on your direct instructions. And no complex setup required. When creating campaigns, it will also recommend segments that are more likely to engage. You can even create a campaign and ask Active Intelligence, can you help me find a segment for this campaign? Instead of manually building complex segments, just describe who you want to reach. And now you understand some of the tools we use for organizing contacts in ActiveCampaign. Lists are your primary containers, tags track behaviors and interests, and custom fields store detailed information. Together, they give you complete control over how you organize, segment, and personalize your marketing. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.